guys, welcome back to my channel. So today me and my parents are going out for dinner. Like after this whole lockdown period we are going for the first time, and that is like a very famous restaurant that we are going to. So obviously you will know which restaurant it is, and the food is amazing. But before that, I wanted to like do a little face scrub before I go out, because that will make my skin look really healthy and glowy as well. So I bought this amazing product from the Trell app. So this one's the Mama Earth Cocoa Face Scrub. So I bought this one and I'm gonna try it for the very first time. So Trell app has 70% off on all the trending brands, like almost on all the major brands, and also you will get another 25% discount if you use my coupon code while purchasing any product that you want. Also, Trell gives you free delivery on every product that you purchase. So the beauty sale has started from the 20th of November. So you can get your hands on all the amazing products at a price you have heard never before. So here, as you can see, I've put my coupon code, and the link for this product will be down in the description. So make sure you're checking that. Also, Trell has come up with an amazing program which is called as Trell Cash. So all you have to do is that go on the Trell app and complete the challenges that they have, and you can earn Trell Cash. So for example, one Trell Cash is equal to 1 rupee. So the more challenges you take, the more Trell Cash you can earn, and you can shop with the Trell Cash. And also upon that, if you use my coupon code, you're gonna get another 25% off. So isn't it like a very great deal? So now I'm super excited to try out this product right here. So now let's get into it, and I really want to try it out and see how my skin reacts to this one. If you guys don't know, Trell app is known for short video lifestyle, and it's also an e-commerce platform. Also to mention, you can find almost every product that you want on this application. Mama Earth Cocoa Face Scrub gives a rich exfoliation. It gently exfoliates and removes dead skin cells and skin impurities. This product is paraben free, sulfate free, is dermatologically tested, and it suits all skin types. So all you have to do is take an adequate amount of the scrub and gently massage it on your face, neck in circular motions. So here's the video on how you can place the order, and also you can see the price difference. So make sure that you order your favorite products from the Trell app. So guys, my skin looks amazing. Okay, so since it's like a very gentle exfoliator, it gently removed all the dead skin and the dry skin that I had, and I feel very soft. Like my skin feels very smooth, and I'm absolutely loving it. So I would recommend this one. Like you should definitely get this. Like if you have like sensitive skin, or like a skin where you are allergic to certain products, I'm sure this you would not regret using. So I absolutely loved it. And again, I'm going to remind you that there is a 70% off on all the trending and all the major brands. You'll get free delivery on every order that you purchase, and again, if you use my coupon code, you're gonna get another 25% off. So make sure that you get your hands on any product that you want from the Trell app. And also don't forget about the Trell Cash that I've told you. Make sure that you take up those challenges so that you can earn some Trell Cash, and then you can redeem that while you shop. So now I am actually getting a little late. I need to get ready, and I'll see you when I'm ready to go out. So me and my parents are going to a famous restaurant here. So restaurant's name is Hotel Sai Krupa. So it's Hotel Sai Krupa, and it's quite famous for their non-veg dishes. So we're gonna go there and try some, and I'm gonna put a map for you guys and also the address so that you guys can go and enjoy your day. So now let's go. Please don't God forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to. So this hotel Sai Krupa is located in Panvel, mainly on the old Mumbai Goa highway. And so for that I'm gonna put up a map later on in the video so that you guys will understand, or maybe it will be like easier to understand where it actually is. And I'm gonna put down the location link in the description so that will be more easier for you to reach there. So while we were going, it started raining in the middle, and it was like very unpleasant actually, but it was like very achanak say there was rain. But then we almost made it on time to the hotel. Here is a clip of the map, like the location for you guys, so it will be easier for you to understand. Demons in my shoulder, I've been sitting all day long. It's tough when you go take off. Make this in the daylight. I want some, so play right. I'm stressed. So guys, we have finally reached the hotel, and as you can see, the parking is like full. So we have finally reached the hotel Sai Krupa, and it is famous for their chicken Lapeta. So honestly, to tell you about this restaurant, it is like one of the best hotels I've ever been to. The staff and the whole team is very friendly, and this hotel is like good for family also, so it creates like a very friendly atmosphere for the family, and the staff is friendly too. So since we were entering inside the hotel, we were actually confused if they let us shoot inside the hotel or not, but it was really unexpected that they actually let us shoot in the hotel as well as in the kitchen, and they like told us like you can just go around and shoot. So first we entered this area. So this was like the AC room, the family AC area. So we were sitting here. So while we were sitting here, we just thought of, okay, why not just take a look around the hotel and show you guys like what all areas they have. So since we were just sitting here waiting for our order, we went on to explore the other parts of the hotel. So walking up to the kitchen area was super huge, and there were like so many workers inside. They serve veg and non-veg, like both the varieties, but the non-veg is like super special. The specialty of the hotel is non-veg. So we were just taking a look around the kitchen, how hustly it was, and there is also cleanliness. Too many up in your place, too many faces, too many places. God forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could have made a deal with you, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well, then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? So after exploring the kitchen area, we went upstairs. It's the open terrace sitting area, and it is specially for like birthday parties or any parties that you want to celebrate. So we went up there, and it was like super crowded, like totally crowded. There were like no seats, but it is beautiful. Like the view from above is like super beautiful. What I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well, then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Look at this moment in place. I'm doing it for the reactions. Wanna laugh in your face and wanna be paying the taxes. Yeah, I gotta get back in the pace. I gotta wait for the relaxing. Yeah, why you be napping? Yeah, pick up my napkin. Yeah, look at this moment in place. See that I'm open to taste. You couldn't go but a fake. Loving the words that he says. See when I'm up in your place. Too many up in your place. Too many faces. Too many places. Yeah. Please don't God forgive me. Gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with you, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well, then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Playtime's now over. These demons in my shoulder. So coming back to what we ordered, so we ordered chicken sukka karnala, and then we ordered for chicken lapeta. So chicken karnala sukka is like a dry starter, and it's like super spicy, and it tastes amazing. So as you can see here, too many faces, too many places. God This was the yummiest dish I've ever had, and to be honest, every dish of theirs tastes absolutely different. If you eat chicken karnala sukha, you won't find the same taste in any other dish of theirs. It was like outstanding, so amazing. अभी ये वीडियो देख के मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, so imagine how tasty it would be actually. After that, we ordered chicken lapeta. So it is like a gravy food item. So we ordered for that, and for me, I wanted like rotis, naan roti. So I got naan rotis, and my parents, they had bhakri, rice bhakri. Again, this tastes like totally different from what we tried earlier. It was amazing. Even it was like super delicious, like made in variety of spices, and you can eat either bhakri or your rotis or rice, anything would go with this. But again, this was like an absolute tastiest food I've ever tried. I would actually rate both of this food items that I have, I would rate 10 on 10 when it comes to taste. So it was like super amazing. So if you guys are like a fan of spicy food, if you're like a spicy food fanatic like me, especially when it comes to non-veg, I would suggest you to go to this hotel. Well, this is not a sponsored or a promotional video. I genuinely enjoyed having food there. I genuinely enjoyed their taste, the vibe, like it was just so cool, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm sure you guys must visit that restaurant, that hotel, and try out their famous food items. Not only chicken sukka karnala and chicken lapeta, but you can also try other items as well. After having our dinner, we went out to have this Meetha pan. So there is this pan stalled right outside the hotel. So we tried this Meetha pan. It was super amazing, very melty, super delicious. And like mom, dad and I, we love Meetha pan after dinner, if we're going out for dinner actually. And we were just enjoying the whole moment. It was super amazing. I just loved spending time with my parents at that hotel. It was like, I don't know how to describe those things in words, but I'm sure if you go there once, you'll get addicted to going there again and again. So this is like the whole view, like the parking area was like completely filled with cars. So guys, as you can see, this is the restaurant. I'll put like a complete footage of it, and also to be honest, the food was really nice. हर डिश का टेस्ट काफ़ी अलग है. तो जैसे हमने चिकन सुक्का करनाला, हाँ, सो चिकन सुक्का करनाला ट्राई किया, उसका टेस्ट भी काफ़ी अलग था. और फिर हमने चिकन लपेटा, वो भी सुक्का था पापा. चिकन लपेटा, ओनली चिकन लपेटा, ग्रेवी स्टाइल में. इट वाज चिकन लपेटा ग्रेवी स्टाइल. उसका भी टेस्ट काफ़ी अलग था. लाइक बोथ टेस्ट वर लाइक टोटली डिफरेंट बट टेस्टी. मैंने तंदूर रोटी लिया था और मॉम डैड ने राइस भाकरी लिया था. सो इट वाज सुपर्ब एंड अमेजिंग. टेस्ट तो बहुत ही अच्छा था. यहाँ पे कैमरा अलाउड है. दिस प्लेस इज़ लाइक वेरी कैमरा फ्रेंडली. इफ़ यू आर अ यूट्यूबर और अ ब्लॉगर एंड यू वांट टू कम, you can definitely like come and try this place out, क्योंकि you can take your camera here as well. Then we just went home because we were so full with the yummiest food we had. We just came home and like relaxed. So guys, we just got home, and as you saw in the video, like we explored the hotel much. But to mention again, the hotel staff and the whole hotel premises is very camera friendly. Also, they allow you to shoot at every place at the hotel. So you can definitely also try that out. And also, if you like this video, comment down, let me know what you guys think about this. And if you have been already to that restaurant and which was your favorite dish out of it, let me know. We'll be happy to try that out. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. Links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Sitting all day long, it's tough when you go take off. Hate this in the daylight, I want some, so play right. I'm dressed well with that halo, these angels, they don't know. Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste. You couldn't come but a fake, loving the words that he says. See when I'm up in your place, too many up in your place, too many. Please, oh God, forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda